Hello, welcome to Filipino Recipes at Tinapay. For today, we are making Ensaymada. Our complete ingredients attached in the description box below. Please continue watching for our complete instructions. So, ang susunod po ay halo lang natin yung ating yeast na nilagay sa warm milk sa ating harina. Pagkatapos, i-add po natin yung 3 egg yolks, 1/4 cup of butter, saka po natin mamasahin ang ating dough. Pagkatapos natin masahin yung ating harina, we will make a ball and then we'll cover it for an hour. Next is we will cut and shape it into its desired form. Then after forming our dough into the desired size and form, we will recover and leave it again for 30 minutes to an hour. So now this is ready for baking. We'll bake this for about 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees. For our coating, we made use of sugar, butter, and we added powdered milk. You can also add grated cheese as desired. Serve and enjoy with your loved ones. Thanks again for watching the Filipino Recipes at Tinapay. See you again next time for another episode. Bye!